I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say I told you so. What's up everybody, I'm Dave with Fragrance Bros, of course your best source for everything fragrance related. I was on a little hiatus for a while because I got sick and then I had a lot of busy things I had to do. Anyway, I'm back and today we're going to do a video on something that I have wanted for a long time, and that is this, Alien for Men by Thierry Mugler. Now I'm a huge Alien fan. Alien for Women is one of my favorite fragrances for women, and I have a few different reviews of different flankers of Alien. I'll have a link up here to one of them. And the classic Alien is just an amazing fragrance. Their Taste of Fragrance version with added caramel was magnificent. One of their latest ones in recent years, last couple of years, Eau Extraordinaire, was spectacular, and it may be my favorite version of Alien. For years I've been saying that Mugler needs to make a male flanker of Alien. I just think it would be just a huge win for them if they did it, and I've just been saying it publicly for years. Maybe I got through. Now of course with every Mugler fragrance release, they have a press release that makes no sense. And with their note lineup, again, they did that again with these notes. So for the notes, they said for the electric vibrations, they have notes of beechwood and dill. Then they have notes for sensual vibrations, which are leather and cashmerean. And then they have a magnetic vibrations, which are supposed to be notes of white amber. And I believe white amber here is supposed to be a reference to ambroxan. So with this, I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. For one, I'm really intrigued by the note list, but also two, the note list may be coming across a little bit generic. We'll see. I'm still cautiously optimistic about this, and I will definitely be getting a bottle of this one way or another. I will be getting a bottle of this. Speaking of the bottles look hideous. There's probably not much they could do with the bottles here because they had to keep a connection, a theme going between the original Alien, which was this just masterpiece of a feminine bottle, but then they go to the masculine version, which has to have some kind of recurring theme, and it looks a little derpy. As far as the notes go, there are notes in there that are reflective of the original Alien, like cashmerean and the white amber. Those two are definitely in the original Alien. The original Alien had jasmine though, and I really wish they had some kind of jasmine in this, at least a little bit. But if there were just a little bit of jasmine in here, that to me would be a little bit more reassuring about the direction they're going in. Right now I'm not too sure, but I'm still kind of optimistic here. We'll see. As for now, this is the next hype train right now. It has a lot of pre-hype built in. If the scent itself smells great, if they nail it, then this will be the next hype train of the year. But if the scent flops, it's gonna be a huge disappointment to a lot of people. I've always said that they really needed to make an Alien Pour Homme, and I think it would be a knockout. Hopefully this is the knockout that I was thinking of. What's their next move? Well, I have another prediction that I've always said for years that I think if they do this, then it will be another hit for them, and that is to make the Mugler Cologne fragrance a line. As of now, they don't really have a strong unisex line, but Mugler Cologne is primed, positioned, and pointed to be that line for them. It'd be a great way to have a summery, fresh line, and they've been needing to do this for a long time, years, and they haven't done it. But I think they really need to make a fresh line like that with Mugler Cologne, which would be incredible. Mugler Cologne by itself is an amazing fragrance, so they need to do something with that. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are you excited about Alien Pour Homme? Are you as excited as I am? Let me know down in the comments. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.